Oh, sorry. I was just trying to find Melania. She escaped from the Red House. Again. I searched everywhere. I searched the Triangle office too. She's not there. Just a quick question. Was Kamala in The Color Purple? I think she was. Oh, there's a Trump fan. Hello, little girl. What's your name? I'm going to put the kids outside. You know me. Donald. What's my last name? Duck? Something like that? I don't know. Quick question. Is my plaza still standing? I'm not 100% sure, but I'm like 90-10% sure. 90-10. 90-10 is just a little less. 90-10, you know.